Now accessible through the Pi Network store, which takes and also at the same time accepts Pi payments, is Elon Musk's Starlink. Through the Pi Network Mall, Elon Musk's Starlink satellite internet service may now be purchased both online and offline. Pioneers can now purchase Starlink from a Pi Network store and pay with the well-known cryptocurrency, which is known as Pi. Thanks to this development, guys, you have to pay attention and watch the entire video, because the Pi Network is about to rule the entire cryptocurrency world, and you really cannot afford to miss this information. As you all know, it's CryptoConnex. We're glad to have you back as always. This channel has resumed its daily giveaway of 30 Pi coin to one lucky subscriber. To become that lucky winner, simply comment Pi Network to the moon with the rocket emoji. With all that been said, let's proceed, guys. Get the celebration going. The Pi Mall Metro team announced the release of Starlink in the Pi Network store, sparking a lot of excitement among fans and followers of the Pi Network. The goal of Starlink, a SpaceX startup, is to use a network of low Earth orbit satellites to deliver high-speed internet service to isolated and rural areas. The Pi coin, which a cryptocurrency that has gained popularity in recent years as a result of the introduction of Starlink at the PIML Metro store, which is now available to Pi Network customers for use in paying for the high-speed internet service. Users can mine Pi using their smartphones via the decentralized Pi Network, which is quickly gaining popularity. With more individuals realizing the advantages of using decentralized digital currency, the Pi Mall Metro's action is anticipated to significantly increase the adoption of Pi coin and other cryptocurrencies in general. Starlink's entry into the Pi Network market also represents a crucial turning point for the network, which has been steadily expanding its product line in recent months. Electronics, clothing, and household products are just a few of the items sold at the Pi Network store. The addition of Starlink is sure to boost sales even further. Customers will have even greater convenience and accessibility since Starlink will be offered offline at the PIML Metro in addition to online. Why early adopters are crucial for widespread adoption. All people will be able to use digital currency according to the ambitious Pi Network project. It is built on distributed ledger technology and aims to offer financial services and crypto-based payments to everyone on the planet. In order to accomplish that goal, the company's developers are focusing on offering intuitive user interfaces that give users the confidence they need to use cryptocurrencies as payment systems. As more people join the network and use it for transactions, the network's dependability and value will increase. Therefore, it is crucial that pioneers get involved in network promotion. Pioneers will promote the network and its potential for practical uses, such as investment, international remittances, and more, as well as how it may benefit users through safe, low-cost transactions. A safe and useful cryptocurrency is the Pi Network vision. A reliable, usable money that can be used to pay for goods and services is what the Pi Network aspires to. We anticipate that this advantage will make the value more stable and less erratic than other cryptocurrencies. But this won't happen unless the majority of Pi trades are for actual commodities and services. Rather than just being used as a trading platform for investments, Pi needs pioneers who are ready to utilize it as actual money in the real world. As a result of their role in promoting Pi adoption in their local areas, pioneers play a crucial role in the growth of the Pi Network. They inform their family and friends about the advantages of using Pi, and also suggest local businesses to accept Pi as payments, and also persuade a variety of internet merchants to join the network. Finally, the Pi is on its way to becoming a significant worldwide cryptocurrency because to its network effect, what distinguishes the Pi network from different cryptocurrencies. In contrast to other digital currencies, this is really a very important question that needs an answer. Guys, the Pi network is being developed as a utility token, which means that its main purpose is to be utilized to obtain products and services. Since its value is less based on speculation than other types, this type of digital currency is more stable than others. The Pi network needs pioneers to help it make the switch from a speculative token to a utility token. Pi's value becomes more steady the more people use it for goods and services and engage in the network. Together with demand, the price of coins will increase. Additionally, the Pi network's utility reduces its reliance on speculative or trading activity for growth, which has hampered other cryptocurrencies and increased volatility. Pi's utility and stability will increase over time as more people use it to pay for goods and services. The Pi network's users' ability to successfully introduce new individuals on a big scale is what makes it successful. Pioneers are the business people who launch a product and help Pi reach its full potential. The future of this coin is uncertain without them. Pioneers are the people most likely to use and promote the Pi network, boosting awareness of and adoption for the coin. With thousands joining every day, they have already amassed a considerable fan base for both themselves and the network. These early adopters are crucial to Pi's success, so they must be actively involved for wide acceptance to take place. As a result, they will be in charge of instructing new users on how to use the Pi network. Pioneers are contributing to its creation, a reliable ecosystem where users may use Pi network tokens to pay for goods and services instead than exchanging them for fiat currency or other cryptocurrencies. This effort will make Pi coin more appealing to both businesses and consumers while assisting in preventing fluctuations in its value. Pioneers clearing the way for common use. The more safe and reliable Pi network develops over time, the more traders may be willing to conduct transactions using it. Pi for products and services. Key to development and sustainability. The Pi network is meant to develop into a practical tool for business dealings. In the future, there will be more than just currency trading or investing. Users will be able to transact for goods and services available in the real world. When this is done, Pi's value will stabilize and become less erratic than the rest of the cryptocurrencies. Pi must be used by enough people for goods and services, rather than just as a speculative trading currency for this shift to take place. Early adopters like you may have a greater impact on mainstream Pi adoption than originally anticipated. The volatility solution for the Pi network utility comes first, then speculation. The Pi network sets itself apart from other cryptocurrencies by offering a way to increase stability and reduce volatility in the price of Pi. This is done via increasing utility or by making it more practical to own and utilize. Pi network has developed a plan to make sure that its ecosystem can establish itself as a global medium of exchange that can be used for both online and offline transactions. Pioneers are essential to the success of this effort because their participation will strengthen the network, increase stability, and provide doors for the emergence of real-world use cases. Here is the procedure. Laying the groundwork: users who conduct routine business such as buying goods and services, using Pi for digital entertainment or on the App Store, or sending money to friends and family establish the foundation for stability. This activity is grounded in practical use cases that depend on cryptocurrencies rather than theories. As more pioneers sign up for the network and its use increases, so too does its reputation as a trustworthy, safe, and universal form of payment. Since traders are no longer guessing at Pi's value, but are instead using it for its intrinsic utility, its growing reputation helps Pi become more widely accepted, while also reducing volatility. With all of this, we have come to the end of today's video. Kindly support our channel by pressing the subscribe and notification bell. Thank you.